Hello everyone, welcome to the QA automation with Sony. So in the playlist 6 we will learn how we will do a data driven testing with Excel. So we will create a one Excel file inside the test data folder, which will be present inside the resource folder, okay, where we have all the feature file and configure. So inside that we will create a one test data folder, and inside that we will create a one Excel file, okay. And then we have added some Apache POM dependency which is required for the Excel one. So I will just show you, I have added this login.xls file inside the test data folder. That is opening system it. Yeah, so you can see here I have given the username and password, 2 columns, and we have 3 rows, okay. And the indexing will be start from the 0, 1, 2, okay. So I have added this Excel file inside this test data, and to read the data from the Excel one and write it in Excel file, we need a one dependency which we need to add inside the POM.xml. It is the Apache POM dependency. So you can see this is the dependency which we need to require to add in our POM.xml. So once this is required for .xls file, and this is required for .xlsx file, .xml. So these two dependencies we need to require to add in POM.xml. So once we have add this two dependency in our POM.xml, and then we need to reload our project to build this dependency in our project, okay. Yeah, so the next step is we need to write a Excel utility class, the Excel reader utilities class, which will contain all the data, all the container methods which we have, which we used for the read the data from the Excel or write the data from the Excel. So here we have created some methods which I will show you later. Means it is a common method which we can directly use on our project, but according to our scenario I will explain all this method, okay. So yeah, so I have created one scenario to understand how we can read data from the Excel one. So this is the feature I have created, it is a scenario outline. Here we have do a test data driven testing for the Cucumber G1. So this is the scenario outline I have created, and then I just add one step like user password shows on console form given rows number, okay. So this is a rows number I have given as an input. So according to it will take a rows number and return the username and password and shows on console to the respective row number, okay. So I have created a function for this one then statement inside the login step def. So this is the step method which I have written. So it will take enter row number as a input parameter, okay. So here what I will do, I will create an object of the, actually this Excel utils file we don't have a public method, we have a private method. So you can see we have a private method, and if we need to use the method of this Excel reader, we need to create object of Excel reader class. So what I will do, I have created a object of Excel reader, and I have created a, and then I will use this object to execute this get data method. So get data method will take a file Excel file path and the sheet number. The sheet number is 0 for where we have written the data. The get data will return a list of username and row and column. So basically you can see the get data what it will take. It is inside that we have created object of sheet which will load with the sheet number, where we have viewed the sheet number, and it will load the sheet data inside the sheet, okay. And this sheet we will pass into the read sheet data. What we have done in the read sheet data, so I will just show you click. So in the read sheet data we will take total number of rows. So we have using a method of get physical number of rows. So we have 3 rows, and okay, so in the total rows we have 3, and this is the object of list we have created. And then we have header row number. It will give the header row number. So header row number for the sheet. So header row number is a 0 for us. Okay. So here we can see header row number is not equal to -1, means we have a data. Okay. So it will go inside that loop and it will find total column. Okay. So it will we can find the total column using a get last cell name method. Okay. And then we have create a set current row variable integer type. It will assign as a 0, and if we have a sheet, then what it will do, and we have a data inside them, then we will see, actually data will be start from the first row. So we have set current row equal to 1 here. Okay. And then what we have to then we have set the current row value as the set current row, and we will start a loop. It will be go till the row which here. So set current row is a 1. So and the total row we have a top. So loop will be go inside, and here we will get the row value. So row equal to, here we will get the first row. Okay, because the set current row means current row value is a 1 here. Okay. And so here we will using this get row method, we will get the row value of this particular row number. Okay. And for this particular row number we need to find out the cell value. Okay. So there is a column data. We have created one more object which is a hash map. So it will be take the key value pair. So the key is a username here. So okay. So what it will take, the column will be start from the 0 and it will be till the column counter. So there a column map data put all and get value of sheet. So row is this one, and this is the current column. Okay. So sheet name and row is a first row, and current column is a 0, 1, and it will be put the data inside the map data. Okay. And then it will be add this method, add column map data. So this is the method, and it will return a row, Excel row, which will contain the key value pair. Like the key is the username and the corresponding value. Username 0, username 1 or something. And once this we will get the test data inside this one. So we will print the username test data dot get row number. Row number is if we gave a 1, then it will take first row, and get username. This is the key value of username, first row username value, password first row, password value of column value of first row. So this is the way we will print the username and password on our console output. So this is the way we can perform the data-driven testing using Excel. Yeah, so this is the complete creation of a Selenium Cucumber project from scratch. We will be I will become with another playlist, like how we can integrate this Cucumber Selenium project with Git and there is one more session I will perform where I have integrated this Cucumber or Get with Jenkins. Okay, this is a new channel which I created, so I like your support to continue or continue further or share my knowledge with all of us. Okay, thanks guys, share and support, subscribe and